Changing your password on Google Photos is a straightforward process that helps keep your account secure. Follow these steps to update your password. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Open your web browser and go to the Google account sign-in page. Enter your email and current password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Security tab in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access your account security settings. Step 3. Find Password option. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section. Here, you will see the password option. Click on it to proceed with changing your password. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password for verification. After that, enter your new password twice to confirm it meets the security requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, click the Change Password button to save your changes. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been updated. Now your Google Photos account is secured with a new password. Remember to keep your password safe and consider using a password manager for added security.